Alright team, Carl here, Redbeard Recipes. In this one I'm going to be making a champagne mignonette. Use this when we're having oysters. I'm also going to make a bit of a Thai inspired one as well, that I made up pretty much off the top of my head. Hope you like these. Like and subscribe. Let's get you started. Right, so for the mignonette we're going to use 1/3 of a cup of white wine vinegar, 90 ml of red wine vinegar, a 1/4 cup of unreasonably expensive champagne, wee bougie.
I'm gonna have to make this because I'm bougie.
1 shallot, diced up very, very small. Roughly a teaspoon of black pepper, pinch of salt, give that all a mix, pop it in the fridge, let it chill a little, and then it's ready to serve. Alright, Thai style one.
My curiosity is killing me just like a cat would be killed by the curiosity, yeah!
We're using 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of grated ginger, a 1/4 of a red chilli,
Let's have a smell, alright? Ooh, wafting, wafting. Oh, everyone likes their own brand, don't they? This is magic.
and about 1/8 of a stem of lemongrass. Chop that all up, knock it all together, and again mix it, pop it in the fridge just to chill a little, and then you're ready to serve. Hope you all enjoyed that. Real quick one. Like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.
Bye. Have a beautiful time.